Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'd like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic, and as usual, we'll forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. For the whole trading week, traders have been expressing different sentiment on the euro-dollar pair. Nevertheless, traders are poised to sell the US dollar at the end of the week. Market participants are keeping close tabs on the presidential race in the US. Meanwhile, Joe Biden is taking the lead in recent national polls that is bearish for the US dollar. In response, trying to regain popularity, Donald Trump is roasting his opponent in public. That also puts pressure on the US currency. As a result, the euro-dollar pair is again trading at the same level where it opened on Monday. What prospects for the next week do technical charts suggest for the popular trading instruments? Let's ask our technical expert, Peter Yakimovic. Hi, Peter.
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found, basically there is a consolidation going on. In the last 5 days, basically I saw that there is no real directional move on this currency pair. Anyway, based on the daily time frame, I found there is a potential for the ABC correction on the euro, and this is basically there is a completion of the bigger downside ABC. Which I'm seeing like a big potential for the further upside actually on the euro versus US dollar. And my expectation is again to the upside, and probably euro can go and trade towards the 1.1870 and 1.2 level in the next period. So expectation is the upside, basically mainly because of this potential completion on the of this ABC and the short-term uptrend in the last 5-6 days on this currency pair.
Do you foresee a climb for the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, from the other side, we got a potential double bottom actually almost completed on the British pound versus US dollar on the daily time frame, which is a quite significant information going further on this currency pair. So the level at the 1.3 is a critical pivot level, and that's something that I also mentioned in my previous forecast. So if you can see the breakout, the 1.3 level, and the strong momentum and the strong impulsive upside move going through the 1.3 level, then there is actually a potential for the test, the 1.3380 level, which is basically the previous swing high, the major swing high on the daily time frame on this currency pair. Again, my expectation is the upside, mainly because of this double bottom, confirmed support in the background, and the key support level, I will say it's around 1.2, the 700. On the British pound versus US dollar.
At what levels do you expect gold to trade next week?
On the gold, there is also, in my opinion, potential completion of the major ABC, because daily time frame, the long-term, mid-term time frames, pretty bullish still, so the trend didn't change by the definition technical analysis. We didn't have any two lower highs and two lower lows on daily or the weekly, so I'll say the gold is still overall in a mid-long-term uptrend, and that the last downswing might be just the completion of the major ABC downside correction. So my expectation is that gold can trade higher in the next period towards the 1,920, and there is also potential chance for test of the 1,970 in the next period. The key support on the gold is set at the 1,850, and this is basically the major swing low point based on the daily time frame.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office. We wish you always profitable trading, and see you soon.